Cleansing is the first stage of your skincare routine to remove all dirt and toxins deposited on the surface of your skin. But only cleansing is enough. Our face is constantly in contact with pollution, dust, bacteria, makeups, variety of chemical cosmetics, etc. that mixes with the sebum produced, penetrating deep into our pores. This causes toxin which leads to formation of acne, blackouts, pigmentation, uneven skin tone, etc. To solve this problem, we have the ultimate thing in rescue, which is double cleansing. Have you ever heard of the double cleansing method? Have you been fascinated by the Korean beauty? If you have been aiming for skin as flawless as the Korean skin, then let me reveal one of the biggest secrets of their skincare routine is double cleansing. Recently, double cleansing is also highly recommended by the dermatologists across the globe. The ritual of double cleansing is one of the beauty secrets of the Korean woman, which is performed with the right products and processed regularly. It can lead to surprising skincare results to a healthy, youthful, glowing skin. Hi, myself Rajat Chatterjee is here today to discuss the complete technical details about the double cleansing process. What are the benefits, how to apply, and the recommended product. Everyone knows that cleansing is an essential step in the skincare routine, either day or night regime. Double cleansing, an intensive way to cleanse your skin super clean before you apply the rest of your skincare and go to bed, which improves the efficacy of your other skincare products, letting them penetrate your pores better. After learning about all the benefits of double cleansing, I can guarantee that you will definitely switch to the double cleansing from regular face wash, which is not at all appropriate for a quality skincare routine. Now the vital question is, what is double cleansing? The name pretty much explains everything. Double cleansing is in the presence of using two different types of cleansers to clean your face properly. The first wash needs to be with an oil-based cleanser and followed by the second one with a water-based cleanser. You may ask that why double cleansing is necessary. Even if we are at home, throughout the day, dirt, bacteria and pollution are attracted to our face, and if they are not cleaned properly, they give rise to skin issues like acne, pigmentation, aging, oxidative damage to the skin, contribute to the breakout of collagen, development of wrinkles and sunspots. That's where double cleansing comes in the picture for a crystal clear, problem-free skin. Therefore, double cleansing once you enter the house after a whole day at work is of utmost importance. Now the question may arise, is double cleansing suitable for all skin types? Yes, my dear friend, it is applicable for all skin types. As I mentioned earlier, the double cleansing will do wonders based on the selection of cleanser. Let me introduce two world-class products as part of double cleansing are the deep cleanser and foam cleanser from the House of Atomy, the leading South Korean company. These are one of the world's best quality cleansers you may ever use. Deep cleanser is oil-based cleanser and foam cleanser is a water-based cleanser. Atomy uses 4 latest technologies for the manufacturing of the products, which you may see in the slide. Number 1, high purification technology. Number 2, fresh herb extraction biotechnology. Number 3, fermentation technology. And number 4 is multiple capsulation delivery technology. Let me introduce major ingredients of the Atomy Deep Cleanser. I am telling you in very short. Ginkgo biloba extract, which provides vitality into the tired skin to keep our skin firm and provides anti-inflammatory effect and anti-aging properties. Flavonoids present in the Ginkgo biloba, which is a very strong antioxidant and fights against oxidative stress in our skin. Number 2, it contains ginseng extract, the oil which produced by our skin. Ginseng maintains the oil balancing and minimizes the possibility of pimples, which is an excellent quality required for your skin. Green tea extract, which controls the skin tone brilliantly, making it clear and clean. Carrot extract and tocopherol acetate, which provides nutrient to the cleansing effect to make your skin glossy and moist. Carrot extract contains vitamin C, which has great healing properties, which reduces swelling and inflammation in your skin. Macadamia tandliflora seed extract. It protects from aging and reduce skin irritation. Fig fruit extract. The presence of vitamin B and C has an antioxidant action, contributing to the youth and firmness of your skin. It has anti-inflammatory properties also, which help to prevent acne. Camellia sinensis leaf water. It also has anti-inflammatory properties, anti-aging, simulates skin hydration and fights against acne. Centella asiatica extract, which name is Thankuni Pata, famous name in Bengali, is ideal for sensitive skin due to presence of saponosis. It helps to reduce visible sign of skin sensitivity like itching and burning. Now, home cleanser major ingredients. It also contains more than 17 complete natural ingredients like deep cleanser, and they all have numerous benefits for your skin. I am telling you one or two. Lavender flower, basil flower extract, rosemary extract, beta glucan, apple fruit water, vitamin E, etc. And you can see in my slide the total ingredients I have captured, which present in the foam cleanser. Now, the first step of the Korean double cleansing method involves using oil-based cleanser on your face, that is deep cleanser. Firstly, apply Atomy deep cleanser in completely dry face. Massage for 1 to 2 minutes. Once your face becomes oil, then again massage gently for 2 to 3 minutes in a circular motion through your ring and middle finger to enhance proper detoxification of the skin. When the oil-based cleanser that you use binds to the molecules, all that you need to do, rinse or cleanse your face with clear lukewarm water to get rid of the molecules, and your skin will become baby soft and keeping your skin sufficiently hydrated. When you apply an oil-based cleanser to your skin, non-polar molecules will be attracted to the cleanser. If these molecules remain on your skin, they will cause irritation, which only serve to worsen the health and quality of the skin. Atomy oil-based deep cleanser is an excellent makeup remover. Makeup merely is one style of the oil-based impurities. Oil cleansers co-jointly break down SPF that you ought to invariably be carrying. It removes all the surface oil-based impurities so that once you go into it together, it will get deep into the pores and take away recessed impurities that are essential to filter out. Please make sure that you only apply the deep cleanser when your skin is fully dry. Keep in mind that lathering is not needed with it. When you see the oils moving around, that means the cleanser is working. Now we discuss the second step. In the second step, you apply Atomy foam cleanser, the water-based cleanser. Firstly, once you done with the deep cleanser process, first wash your hand properly to remove the extra oil from your hands. Now make a rich foam lather as much as you can on a clear palm that apply all over on a wet face neck portion. Making rich foam lather is very important as it breaks down all the nutrients along with oxygen particle and get mixed nicely in the form of foam lather. As a result, all nutrients go deeper into the skin and removes all impurities, makeup, dirt, pollution, etc. After application of foam cleanser, massage your skin gently by middle and ring finger in upward direction in a circular motion for 2 to 3 minutes. Wait for 2 minutes to penetrate foam cleanser natural ingredients into the deeper skin level to remove all impurities easily. Lastly, wet your fingers and massage again for 1 minute gently in the same circular motion upward direction and rinse your face, neck area with lukewarm water or hot towel properly. Water-based foam cleanser is very similar to oil-based ones, with the main difference being that they can get rid of polar molecules like dirt, sweat and dead cells. Since all non-polar molecules have already been removed from your skin, This will help you get rid of any remaining impurities. The main goal after using a water-based foam cleanser should be for your skin to feel soft and adequately hydrated. Apart from the above, suntan, dead cell, dullness of your skin will be completely corrected by using Atomy Deep Cleanser and Foam Cleanser on a regular basis. You may have questioned that when and how often should we double cleanse? How frequently you double cleanse depends on your skin. Many people prefer to cleanse once a day, while others prefer to cleanse both during in the morning and nighttime routine. It's more appropriate to double cleanse at night before application of other skin products. How often you double cleanse also depends on your skin type and lifestyle. For example, if you have oily skin, breakout prone skin, or you wear heavy makeup, double cleansing minimizes potential cognition likely to build up. Now, why Atomy double cleansing is the best choice? I am explaining in detail. Number 1. Better penetration of the products. Please try to understand the basic concept how the beauty cosmetics work in our skin. The space between our skin pores is 100 to 120 nanomicron. Atomy Deep and Foam Cleansers particle size is 30 to 50 nanomicron, which is 1/3 of your pore size. Other so-called nanoparticle cosmetic particle size is 200 to 300 nm, 2 times larger than the size of your pores. That's make the big difference. Whatever may be the ingredients used, they will only work if they can penetrate your skin pores but failed due to the size constraint. Atomy has used most upgraded nanotechnology to perform their products up to the optimum level after deep penetration. Fight signs of aging. Also, if the impurities are left inside the pores and not cleaned properly, the process of cell regeneration, which is important for plump and younger skin, gets delayed, thus causing the skin to age. Therefore, Atomy double cleansing will make a better way to protect against aging process. Number 3. Aids in better complexion. It is also important to note that when you deep cleanse your skin with good products, you allow the natural complexion of the skin to come in the surface, revealing brighter skin. It also helps in preventing skin dullness while uplifting the complexion and skin tone. It's a kind of gentle exfoliation that slots away the dead skin cells from the inner surface of the skin. Number 4. pH balance. Atomy double cleansing method balances the pH level of your skin much better, which normal face wash and inferior quality cleansers are unable to match. Skin detoxification. Due to its ultra nano ingredient size, it enhances the skin detoxification process due to the nutrient penetration up to deepest skin layer. There are many other benefits of the Atomy fully natural cleansers apart from the discussion I have done, which can be realized during application for a long time. We are living our life in a polluted atmosphere which affects our skin very badly. Atomy double cleansing should be your favorite skincare companion. This Korean double cleansing method and Atomy cleansers can provide a new life to your skin, for which you are eagerly waiting, and definitely a fascinating way to optimize your skin routine due to the presence of so many natural ingredients. Friends, I can tell you anything about this product, but results only justify the quality of the product. Would request everyone to try this product once. You will never regret to leave the previous ones. Thank you.